don't need someone who isn't there, someone who just doesn't care, someone who never told what's true about the feelings between me and you. I'm gonna fight alone against the world and try to gain what I deserve. I try my best, what I can do to show the world what I'm without you. All I feel is not free. All I feel is just to be. I don't need someone who is hurting me, or someone who isn't the place to be, someone who always gone away, even if I wanted him to stay. I'm gonna fight